Going for Snowy's campus, I've got with me here the pop-up collapsible space-saving tub. This is a collapsible tub, packs down nice and flat for storage, can be used for dishes, whatever you want in your campsite. A really versatile addition to your camp kit. This is how the 7 litre tub looks packed up here. Measures 37.5 centimetres by about 27.5 centimetres, and packed up it's about 5.5 centimetres in height here. Weighs about 500 grams. To pop it up, you just push down in the middle here and the sides pop out, and you get expanded, or then it expands out, to about 11.5 centimetres in height. And you've got 7 litres of volume inside here. Now it's made of a polypropylene around the sides here, so this is kind of a flexible plastic, and the base is also a polypropylene, and it's kind of got these feet on here to give it a bit more stability in the base, and a crosshatch on the bottom, so the base is nice and sturdy. And then this band through here is a food grade silicone, and that's what gives it this collapsing ability. To collapse it down, you just squeeze the top and the bottom together and it collapses down. A really versatile option to add to your camp kit. Dishes is probably the most obvious solution here, so you can wash your camp dishes, but they'll also double up for laundry tub, so you can wash some clothes while you're on the move. Even if you've got a really young kid, you could probably give them a bath inside this tub here. But affordable addition to your campsite, the pop-up space-saving ideas 7 litre tub. Check them out online at snowys.com.au, where you find them at our lowest prices every day. Got any questions, let us know down below in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for all of our latest, or check out some other cool pop-up gear like this one down here.